Yes, welcome back to my channel, to another video, another crazy story, another painful story, another bad story. I've got bad news for you. In this video, I've got bad news for you. Right? I'm going to call a spade a spade. I'm never going to beat around the bush, but I'm going straight to the point and say it. I'm going to call black as black, white as white, blue as blue. I'm going to call red as red, maroon as maroon, pink as pink, and never going to beat around the bush. I'm going to hold that bull by the horns and say it right now and right here. 3 or 4 or 5 universities in South Africa to avoid. You have to avoid them because of what I know, because of what I understand, because of what I realized, because of what I researched, because of what I studied, because of what I discovered, because of what I observed. 3 or 4 or 5 universities in South Africa to avoid permanently, to never cross your path in their way, in that direction, in that line. The first one, University of Limpopo. University of Limpopo. Yeah, the standards are so poor. The teaching, everything is just poor at that university. University of Limpopo. You can do your own study, you can do your own research. Teaching, the training, the resources, the money, the classes, the infrastructure, the environment, the enrollment, yonke into, everything is just poor at that university. Number 2, University of Venda. University of Venda. Again, the standards are so poor. The infrastructure is poor. The classes, the quality of teaching, the quality of research, the quality of mentorship, the quality of discipleship, quality of the infrastructure, the quality of the environment, everything at this university is poor. If you are wise, if you are intelligent, if you are clever, you have to avoid studying at that university or learning at that university. University of Venda. No, 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 no. I wonder what happens to the graduates when they graduate with their degrees, honors, bachelors, masters, PhD, or postdoc. I wonder what happens with these graduates. I wonder what happened. Do they get employed in the industry, business world, business industry? I just wonder. In the government of South Africa, or in the civil society, or in the NGOs, non-government organizations, I just wonder what happens with these graduates from University of Limpopo, University of Venda. I just wonder. Even up to now, when I left that country and come back home to my country, I just wonder what happens with the graduates holding their bachelors, holding their masters, holding their honors, holding their PhD, holding their postdoc qualification. Do they get employed? Given the quality of everything at Limpopo, given the quality of everything at Venda, do they get employed? I just wonder. Number 3, Mangosuthu University of Technology. Mangosuthu University of Technology. Then the other, number 4, University of Zululand. University of Zululand. Then another one, number 5, Central University of Technology. Central University of Technology. They are not good. They are not quality. They are not productive. According to my study, according to my research, according to the many stories, plenty of stories upon plenty of stories that I heard from other people in South Africa, whether local South Africans or even foreign people who are there in South Africa. Like your Mangosuthu University of Technology, your Central University of Technology, your yeah, they're not good. Your University of Zululand. So on top of University of Limpopo, on top of University of Venda, there's Mangosuthu University of Technology, There's Central University of Technology. Then there's University of Zululand. You have to avoid them. They are not quality in terms of enrollment, in terms of quality of the infrastructure, quality of the teaching, quality of the lecturing, quality of the resources, availability of the resources, accessibility to resources or access to resources, access to assets in terms of postgrad funding, postgraduate funding. If you want to advance to honors, advance to masters, advance to PhD, or advance again to postdoc, at University of Limpopo, there's no funding. There's no adequate funding. At University of Venda, there's no adequate funding. I'm talking about postgrad funding. The same with the University of Zululand. The same with the this Central University of Technology and Mangosuthu University of Technology. There's no funding, postgrad funding to a good level, to a best level, to a beautiful level, to a productive level, or to a highly efficient and effective level. Ayikho funding. Ayikho funding bafethu. Ayikho funding. Uzothini bra? Uzothini? Yo! So these are the universities in South Africa, Republic of South Africa. The universities to avoid, if you are wise, to avoid, if you are clever, to avoid, if you are intelligent, to avoid, if you love your future, if you love your final degree certificate, whether bachelor's, master, honors, or PhD, if you value that thing, these universities you must avoid. And I gave you the simple reasons in terms of quality of infrastructure, quality of resources, access, availability of resources. There's no funding, postgrad funding or postgraduate funding. The level of research, quality of research is poor. The level of teaching, quality of teaching, mentorship, training, the level of community engagement, community participation is poor, very weak, and a lot of other factors that you know, that you understand, and you don't need me to tell you. You already know. So I'm confirming what you already know. I'm confirming to you what you already understand about these universities in South Africa. What do you say? What is your take? What is your comment? What is your submission? What is your perception? What is your view? What is your opinion? What is your standpoint on what I just said, on what I just articulated in this video? Type, comment, write down in the comment section. Let's talk further. Let's discuss further. I'm done talking. I'm signing out. Peace and sharp.